Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover how to style a strip. We will discuss how to select the strip, the quick toolbar options, the main options in the element style panel, and making the strip overflow outside of the content area using spread mode. Like all Titan web elements, the strip can be styled. Double-click the strip to select it. Make sure that you have selected the strip and not the single column that comes as a default with the strip. Once the strip is selected, the quick toolbar will open, showing basic properties for configurations such as border color, fill color, etc. You can also open the element style panel to view the complete property list. An important style category for the strip is the fill. This enables you to add a background to your strip. You can add a solid color background, a gradient color background, or an image. Notice that the background fill, as opposed to other Titan web elements, which can only be placed within the content area, can overflow and spread outside of the content area to take up 100% of the screen. Your other elements must be placed within the content area, but the background fill can be spread across the entire screen. This is because of an option called spread mode. When spread mode is checked, the background fill will fill the entire window. If you want to disable this and only show the background within the content area, simply uncheck the spread mode checkbox.